Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I created this wall art decor, and I used silver plastic plates to do it. I also wanted to let you know that at the end of this video I'll be showing you a sneak peek of my upcoming DIY. So let's get into this video. In total I used 14 of the plastic silver plates and some Mod Podge that I'll be putting into the center of each plate. I got these plates from Mart. You can also order them online at Amazon, but I will leave the links in the description box of this video. And these crushed glass pieces, I ordered them at Michael's. The area where I live at Michael's stores, they do curbside pickup. You can't go in the store, but you can pre-order and pay online, and they will contact you via email and let you know when you can pick up, and you just call them when you're there. Once I've gotten all of the Mod Podge and the crushed glass and all of the plates, I took some foam board and I just cut it into little square pieces that would fit behind each plate with a piece. Well, actually I used this butter knife, and what I did was put some of the E6000 glue and glued these on the backs of each of the plates. I didn't find my leveler, so I figured it would be easier to just put them up individually. Normally I would have used a whole strip of foam board across the whole entire structure, but since I couldn't find my leveler, I thought it would be best to do it this way so that I could eyeball it and put it up that way. So as you can see here, it came out pretty decent, and I was able to just attach each piece with some of that command strip tape that I love to use, especially on my wall since I'm staging my home to sell. I don't want to leave anything that I'll have to clean up later. But as promised, here is the sneak peek of my upcoming video. I love it. I can't wait until you see how I created this. It started out with just a clear hurricane vase. Thanks for watching, everyone, and thank you for all of your support, and we'll see you on the next one.